I've always wondered why is my room pink. I want a yellow room.
Hey sons, guess what? Something big is happening.
Okay brother, what's the big news?
Since I am the great Papyrus, I have entered in the dog show.
Bro, we literally don't even have a dog.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
But we could always buy a dog. It shouldn't mean any harm.
That's it, sons. I have a great idea.
And what might that be?
Oh, I think you already know.
Huh. This wasn't what I had in mind.
Shut up.
Hello and welcome to the dog show. Sir, is that your dog?
Yes, this is my dog. His name is Poopkins.
Poopkins, really?
Sir, that dog looks fake.
How dare you call Poopkins fake? I assure you he's a real dog, and I didn't make my brother dress up as the one I had in Webkins.
Well, right this way.
Let's go, Poopkins.
I am coming. Erf.
Okay, I could have sworn that dog spoke.
Yes, I did. I'm trained well.
Holy shit.
Erf.
Our first contestant. Papyrus and his dog Poopkins.
Come on, Poopkins.
Erf.
Okay, Poopkins, the flip.
Erf, no.
Poopkins, I said do a flip. So hurry it up.
Erf. Fuck you brother, but fine. I mean erf. Erf.
Good job, Poopkins. Now play dead.
Erf.
Good job, Poopkins. Okay, Poopkins. Now go get me chips.
Erf.
What's wrong, Poopkins?
I deserve those chips, Papyrus. I mean erf.
Oh, fine. Just hurry it up.
Erf.
Oh my god, Poopkins. That is a burger.
Yeah, well, I'm sick and tired of pretending to be your dog. I am Sans the skeleton. Not Poopkins.
Listen to me, sons. For today you must be Poopkins. If you don't, you will lose.
Why the hell does this matter so much to you?
Well, sons, I've never won a dog show. They thought my Webkins was stupid as fuck.
So you dressed me up because
my Webkin's name was Poopkins. And I wanted to prove them wrong.
Hear that, bitches? I am the legendary Poopkins.
What are you doing?
Erf.
Holy shit.
Hear that, judges? I am Poopkins. The one from Webkins. The one Papyrus owned in 2005. You guys owe us an apology. For thinking I was fake.
But you are fake?
Shut up, walking talking chocolate bar.
Hey, that's rude. Also, dogs cannot talk.
Well, what am I, bitch? I am a talking dog. Deal with it, cunt sucker. I am so amazing. And I mean everything to Papyrus. So you can get lost. Before I snap your balls.
Try me?
Okay. Let's go home, Papyrus.
Okay, let's go.